Once again, good day. And for the application of the derivative, I choose the point of inflection. So point of inflection can be found by equating the second derivative to zero. So for example, um, is x um, x to the power of 4 minus minus 6x squared minus 7. So for that equation, we will equate to y, and it will become y is equals to x to the power of 4 minus 6x squared minus 7. And you will get the first derivative of the equation, and it will become derivative of y, then the derivative of x to the power of 4 is 4x cubed minus the derivative of 6x squared is negative 12x, and the derivative of negative 7 is 0. So the first derivative is equals to 4x cubed minus 12x. And next we will be finding the second derivative, and it is the derivative of 4x cubed is equals to 12x squared. 12x squared. And the derivative of negative 12x is negative 12. So this second derivative is equate to 0. And then since it is 12x squared minus 12 is our second derivative, you will be putting equals to 0, and we will factor out the 12, and it will become 12x squared minus 1 is equals to 0. Then our next is it will become x squared minus 1 is equals to 0, and we will transpose negative 1 to other side, and it will become positive. So x squared is equals to 1, and then x squared is equals to 1. To eliminate the squared, we will square both sides, so it will become x is equals to positive negative 1. And then next is at x, since our value of x that we get are 2, which is x is equals to positive 1 and x is equals to negative 1. So first you will find the value of y with using the previous that we get for the using x. So at x is equals to positive 1, then we will substitute it to the original equation. So since our original equation is x squared, I mean x to the power of 4 minus 6x squared minus 7, and by substituting the value of x, which is positive 1, it will become 1 to the power of 4 minus 6, 1 to the power of 2 is minus 7. And then our answer is negative 12. That is for at x is equals to positive 1. So our point there is 1 and negative 12. The next we will find the other value of y by substituting the value of other x, which is negative 1, at x is equals to negative 1, since our original equation is y is equals to x4 minus 6 x squared minus 7, and then we will substitute it, so to become, this is negative 1. So negative 1 to the power of 4 minus 6 times negative 1 to the power of 2 minus 7, and then our y there is negative 12 also. So our point there is negative 1 and negative 12. So our point of inflection are 1, negative 12, and negative 1 and negative 12. That will be all for this topic. Thank you.